Hello watcher and subscriber. Now here we will see how we can check whether the year is a leap year or not. So for doing this you must be knowing the logic of leap year. So year is a leap year if the following conditions are satisfied. If the year is a multiple of 100, means whatever the year values are there, if it is divisible by 100, it will be a leap year. The year is a multiple of 4 and not the multiple of 100, means that year must be divisible by 4 but not 100. So these are the criterias of the leap year. Now we will do the testing practically, and I hope you will understand the concept of checking leap year or not. So we will go in the PyCharm now. So now here we are in the PyCharm editor, and for taking year as an input I am taking meaningful variable year, and then we will go for the input statement here. So by using this statement we will get the input value in the form of year, and for testing this we will take if statement and we will use that variable year, and we will take here modulus operator because we will check remainder value, and we will divide by 400, and if remainder is exactly equals to 0 means it is divisible by 400. So in that case we will print here year is a leap year. So I am writing here directly leap year. So it means that if it is divisible by 400 we are getting leap year. Then otherwise we will take one more condition here, else if, and it is executed if the first one is false, then it will go into the else if block, and here we will write the same. Here we will use same operator modulus. Now I will divide it by 100 exactly equals to 0. So in that case what happen? Suppose it is not divisible by 400 and divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year, because in the presentation we discussed if it is divisible by 100 it is not a leap year. So we will take a output statement and we will write here not a leap year. Again we will take one more condition here by using else block, and if suppose both conditions are false then it will check this condition. So here modulus 4 exactly equals to 0, this is our condition. So if the year value is not divisible by 400, not divisible by 100, but if it is divisible by 4, then we know it's a leap year. And suppose all conditions are false, then finally we will go for the else block. So if it is not divisible by anyone, then we are quite sure it is not a leap year. So again let me explain this code. So first we get the year value. If it is divisible by 400 we are getting leap year, and suppose if it is not divisible by 400 it is false, so it will go in the second case. If it is divisible by 100, not a leap year. If suppose both are false, it will go in the next criteria, and if it is divisible by 4 it is a leap year. If all are false we will get a message not a leap year. Got it? So now we check the output here, enter year. Suppose we quite sure about 2000 it's a leap year, so we are getting leap year message. And suppose I'm entering year, suppose I enter 200, I know it is divisible by 100, so it is not a leap year. So if I enter here 2000, 2400, we know it is divisible by 4, so it's a leap year. So in this way we will get the result about leap year. So I hope dear student you understood this coding. So thanks for watching this. You have to practice this program for your better understanding. Thank you.